Hello, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am grabbing a box of brownies and taking them up a level. Now, I am usually very happy with just a box mix of fudge brownies, but every now and then you need to amp them up a little, so I'm going to take this box brownie mix and make it better. You're going to need 1 stick of salted butter, melted, 1 box of fudge brownie mix, 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/4 cup dark chocolate chips, a sprinkling of chocolate chunks, 3 tablespoons of strong brewed coffee, 2, or in my case, 3 eggs, 1 Snicker bar chopped, and 1 cup of chopped pecans. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and let's get these mixed up. To a batter bowl, add a stick of butter and melt it in the microwave. Then add your brownie mix and your nuts. Now I like to coat my pecans in the brownie mix. Just get the powder all over the nuts. That way they don't all sink to the bottom. Then add the rest of your ingredients and fold it all together. Now keep in mind here that where I added dark chocolate and Snickers, you can add whatever goodies you prefer. I then grabbed my 9x12 baking pan and lined it with parchment paper, mostly for ease of cleanup and for removal. Spread your batter to all 4 corners and pop in a preheated 350-degree oven for 25 minutes or until they are at the level of doneness that you prefer. I like mine on the chewy side, so 25 minutes in my oven was perfect. Now, here is where you must be patient. Let them completely cool before cutting them. I even chilled mine down in the freezer so that I could get a cleaner cut. Then you're ready to package them up and you're set to present them at any gathering. Now, aren't they pretty? Just look at that melted bit of Snicker bar that rose up to the top. Adding a few extra ingredients to a plain old box brownie mix really does bring it up to the next level. For these, in my opinion, the strong brewed coffee and the dark chocolate chips really deepened the chocolate flavor without over sweetening them. And they were just delicious. So I hope you will give them a try and leave me a comment. Let me know what you like to do to your box brownie mix to bring it up a level. And I will talk to y'all later.